too dark for MSG. Okay, today I had some of this today. I'm going to try some Mamoun's hot sauce, which I bought so I could have some at home. I had my first tabbouleh sandwich today from Mamoun's, which was delicious. And now I know for a fact that this hot sauce is hot. It's not the hottest hot sauce out there. The hottest hot sauce. Say that 10 times fast. But it's definitely, this is pretty good. I mentioned this on the other video. But this one, boy, you can tell I only got 1 hour sleep. Okay, so now I'm going to use, this has a wide mouth. It's good to check that before using a hot sauce. You don't want to just dump it all over your food, especially when it's very hot. This is hotter than Tabasco from what I recall. I do have Tabasco. I'll try them both to have side to side, but there's going to be no point after having some of this. I'm going to use a Pringles potato chip because it's pretty much, I don't want to say lacking in a flavor, but there's nothing overpowering in a Pringles regular potato chip. Now we're going to put some. Christina, you just had some of this. What did you think of it? You had a little tiny drop.
My mouth is still burning.
And what do you think? Could you handle that?
No.
Okay. It starts off a little bit sweet, but you can tell. I think I'm going to be able to handle this. Maybe it's hotter at the restaurant. Yeah, it is hotter at the restaurant. If you can't have this, you can imagine what you would think at the restaurant. There's definitely a big kick to it though. So I can handle this. This is not a problem. It's still highly recommended, a great falafel place in New York. I'm not sure if they're in other states right now or yet.
They're in Jersey.
Okay, same as New York. Anyway, this is delicious. It's not so terrible in the bottle. Still be great in soups and stews, as they say. And if you look at the nutrition facts, there's 0 of everything. This is like drinking a bottle of nothing. Yeah, this is totally, look, check this out. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Oh, maybe I have to, maybe the top was just like vinegary. This is not a vinegar-based sauce. Oh, this is a new shirt. Just got it today. Okay. Still not crying from it, but it's pretty damn hot. Ooh. Okay, that's what a hot sauce is supposed to be. A little bit of pain. Okay. Oh, by the way, not gonna have it now, but you also sell baklava, which Christina wasn't crazy about. Ooh, there's a kick to this. It looks good to me. I'm not super picky with baklava. I'll find out, but not right now because my mouth is burning.